Have you ever wanted to make a handmade soap and it has a beautiful lemony scent? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made these soaps and the molds that I use. This is the mold that I use. It has a little bit of a rosette design right in there. So this will be the bottom layer. So when I flip this over, it'll have the gold and the white sparkly mica. Right on top of it, should be really pretty. I love the scent of lemon. What about you? Do you love the scent of lemon? I'm sure you do. Add a little design on the bottom. So just do some little swirlies on the bottom. And it just adds a little bit of interest. And the customer flips it over. There. It's ever so lightly adds another design element to your soap. I'm going to pull away the edges right here. And flip it right over. And this one's so easy. So easy to release. There you go, look at that. So see, it has a little bit of glitter. It looks like a wedding. So this is made with lemongrass essential oil, mojito, lemon mojito, and also birthday cake. I have the gold little flowers there, and then I have a little bit of the silver white glitter in there. So it makes a nice, beautiful scented soap. This is what it looks like. Came out really nice. So now I'm ready to cut it, and I have it all marked off. It's 2 inches, and this is 2 inches also. I'm just going to take my ruler and cut the long side first. I do have it marked, but and it's really, really soft. So it's going to be a little tricky to get out without ruining the design. Okay, just going to wipe that real quick, and then do this one here. So the bars won't be perfect in weight, but that's fine. My stuff's a little rustic, and it's not exact. That's what gives it that Vermont charm. Okay, oh, so now, see, oh wow, can fix that there. So this is what it looks like. Oops. And there's the bottom right there. And this will turn a little bit darker. It's almost like a lemon bar is what it is. And it smells, oh, it smells so beautiful. Love it. So it has a little daisy little flower there, but I got these from Paper Mart, but they don't sell them anymore, and they're really hard to find. So what I did is I have a paper punch cutter, and so it has that daisy design. This is a Sedona one, Sedona scented soap bar, but what I want to show you is it has that daisy design right here, and I did get this size punch, so that's what I'll use. So this will be perfect for it. Alright, I just wanted to show you the packaging. I'm going to cut up the rest of these, but I just want to say thank you for joining me today. If you see the value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to continue watching, great, or I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.